Hello, I am Motorist. I would like to show you this massive brass padlock from France. It is marked FTH. I guess in French that would be FTH. Spécial Marine. Sécurité. FTH. Then it says 7B3. In the back it says made in France. There's some tiny little stamp here of a clover leaf. I don't know exactly what that means. Okay, so it's 72 millimeter across. Has nice countersunk brass rivets and a nice design, huh? This is the key. Works well, a little bit stiff, and when you unlock it you feel very strong up, some very strong springs on the levers. And the key bitting suggests it's a 6 lever lock, but it's not. This first step doesn't do anything, it just keeps the key nicely positioned. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levers in here, and the top and the bottom step is for is to throw the bolt. So beautiful lock. It's the big brother of this little pin tumbler type. I showed this one on Reddit some time ago. Anyway, I'll try to pick it. So let's see if I can pick this Thirard lock. It works. I'll use this tensioner made out of a British era key, and this wire that I sanded down to 1.4 millimeter, and so let's see. I've picked this lock several times and it is not easy, even though it's just a 5 lever. There is very little feedback in here, and the levers have very strong springs, making it hard to keep them where they are. Even when they're set, they will easily drop down again. So this might take a while. We'll see. Lever 2 feels set. And now it dropped again. The clicks you hear are not lever setting, it is my tip slipping off levers. Well, I think I need to shift my hands because they need so much tension that my fingers start to cramp. Ah, there was a tiny shift on the bolt. Well, really feels like only lever one needs to be set now. I fear I overlifted something. There we go. Finally. So, This is definitely not an easy lock to pick. So let's get the tools out. See if it still works. Yeah, it does. Okay, so this is the FTH Special Marine FTH 7B3 made in France. Thank you for watching.